Puerto Rico is more than a manufacturing leader. It's a source of a rich and diverse pharmaceutical knowledge developed over many years. It's time we embrace our legacy as a foundation for growth and innovation. I learned that experience builds not only expertise, but confidence, the kind of confidence needed to make bold decisions. By rethinking the traditional project approach, we launched Amgen Ohio in a record timeline of 26 months from groundbreaking to FDA approval to be able to serve our patients. We created one of the most automated facilities in the industry with over 30 integrated technologies driving operation efficiency, allowing us to anticipate, adapt, and act fast. Let's use our shared knowledge to shape Puerto Rico's future by building on our past and using innovation to simplify processes.